Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do an unboxing of another solar panel. This is the Thunderbolt solar panel, the 100 watt, and also a Thunderbolt solar 400 watt universal solar connector. So these were picked up at Harbor Freight. These is the new monocrystalline version of Harbor Freight's solar panels, which is a little bit different from the older models that they had before. So as you can see, jump right into it, is the front of the box. They said it's ideal for sheds, RVs, cabins, and remote locations. And high efficiency monocrystalline solar cells, which means they take in more power faster than the previous models. It's lightweight, portable at 15 pounds, higher durable for long-term outdoor use. Not too sure how waterproof it is. I'm sure it can take a few splashes, but I'm sure it's not meant to take a lot of water. And it says here that it's virtually maintenance free, and it can be mounted, and it can have mounting stands however you choose to use it to produce the average of 25 amps hours. And right here it says 300 watts per day under ideal super sunny conditions. Okay, that's the front of the box. We go over real quick to this Thunderbolt Solar 400 watt universal solar connector here. As you can see, I'm going to use this 100 watt solar panel to connect to here. So that way if you get 4 of these 100 watt solar panels, then you can be taking 400 watts. So you would connect all 4 to these extra ports you have here, and you get you a solar charger regulator if you're going to be charging batteries. So let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, this is the side of the box, and we're going to turn it around. Give you guys a look at the back of the box. Okay, this gives you a little bit more detail. As you can see, pretty much states the same thing that it does on the front. High durability, gives you a little bit virtually maintenance free mounting stands for the legs right here to pull out. Like you said, remote locations, camping, a cabin. If you have an RV, there's the UPC and the item number if you want to look it up. And they give you the warning right here. Use the appropriate charge controller to avoid damages to your battery and other connected appliances. So they want you to know that you should use a charge controller. So if you're charging an RV battery or some kind of appliance, you want to make sure it's not taking in more power than it actually needs to. And here's the specifications. As you can see, the peak output is 100 watts. The voltage max is 24 volts DC. Dimensions 3626 by 1 inches thick. Okay. So it opens up from the side over here. I think it actually have 2 ends to it right here. It's another opening. Okay, so it looks like it may slide out right here from the side, as you can see. Alright, let me stand this up, get this out safely. Okay, so we were able to get it out the box without damaging anything. As you can see, pulling out the box, here's the instructions. It says Thunderbolt Solar 100 watt solar panel. Give you more information about what the model is. Open it up. Give you all the caution instructions. the maximum length of the amperages, how to operate the unit safely. Right here, see just instructions that we highly suggest that you read when you're dealing with solar. You don't want to do anything wrong, mess anything up, or get shocked. As it says right here, read this manual before using this product. Okay, so let's go ahead and try to get this off the unit. Lift it up. As you can see right here, here are the legs. Here are the connectors, which is a SAE connector. And these are the legs. I have to flip it back up the other way. I have it upside down, but you get what I'm trying to say. So let me take this protective cardboard off. As you can see, they put it on the, at least my package came with a protector on the front to make sure you're protecting these solar panels here, and they also on the corners here. So I'm going to get these off too, so we can stand this up and get a better look at it. Okay, so I was able to get the protective cardboard taken off the side of the solar panel. As you can see, this is the front. Zoom in a little bit. First impression of looking at this tempered glass, it definitely feel like it's strong. So if a small branch or a rock hit it, it shouldn't crack it. I'm not sure about hailstorms or anything like that, but they say that it's pretty durable from some of the other videos that I've seen. This is the front. We'll go around right here to the back. As you can see, you have to let the stand legs all the way out in order to make sure that it's tilted to get the proper sunlight. There's no other further adjustment. You can try to let it up, but it doesn't seem like it will stand at any other angle. Again, here it is, SAE connector here. Here's the warning again on the back of the solar panel. Right here is the serial number for your warranty for this. Here's what the SAE cord looks like. And if you have a different type of like a Jackery or some other kind of solar generator, you can always buy different cables like SAE to MC4 or SAE to Anderson to make sure you're matching it up with the proper solar generator that you have. If you've seen some of my other videos, here is the 13-watt Thunderbolt solar clamshell case that I have. As you see, it's charging through my ingress window here. It's not in direct sunlight. At some point this morning it was real bright, and I'm currently charging my Big Blue portable solar generator here, as you can see from previous videos. But this is the unboxing of the Thunderbolt Solar 100-watt solar panel. So we're gonna move over real quick to this solar connector. So here's another description of what you can do with this solar connector. Everybody have different things they want to do with their solar. Mine is mostly for in case of emergency power outages or anything like that, through a bad storm, or just the grid goes down. I have some way to keep some kind of power or my refrigerator running until the power comes back up. So my plan is to actually use this 100-watt solar panel in the 13-watt solar panel right here, connected to this universal solar connector, so that way I'm bringing in supposedly 113 watts, but we know you don't get all of the wattage that you're supposed to get. So if it's 100 watts, you may not get, maybe even on a good day, you may still only pull in a good maybe 60-70% of that total wattage. But it's going to charge that portable Big Blue power station, which eventually I'm going to work my way up to one of the big boys, Blue Eddy or Jackery 1000 or something like that. So let's get this open. It's got it stapled. Okay, so we have it open. This is what comes with it right here. So you actually get a SAE and to these kind of wires right here. Here's the top output right here. You open these up. Same as the SAE, they fit right in here, and you can connect different solar panels as it's described right here on the back. So again, if I add 4 of these, I can only take the max output of 400 watts to this connector. You can buy higher wattage ones, but for right now, this is going to be sufficient for me. Okay, so this is the back. Okay, with these screws, look like mountain screws right here. And you can screw those in there. So if you want to mount this somewhere to something, or maybe the back of the unit, who knows. Right here, they give you more safety to prevent serious injury. Wear the appropriate goggles. Just want to make sure no sparks or anything comes out and damage your eyesight. So, all right, guys, this is the unboxing of the Thunderbolt 100 watt solar panel and the universal 400 watt connector. So I'll put some links below so you can find out more information about these products. Make sure you always do your research when dealing with solar. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment, like, subscribe, and catch you on the next unboxing video. Thanks for watching.